Good morning, my beautiful people. It is another beautiful day. It is Sunday, and today I just wanted to enlighten my people about this wonderful site that I love to use. You guys know the name of it. It is called Fiverr. Okay, so the reason why I'm making this video because it's a lot of people that don't know that this site does a plethora of different things. Okay. And on this video, I'm going to show you that you can come here and get your thumbnails, your flyers for your business, but there are other things that you can utilize this site for, such as B2B list. Okay. So this is one of the things that I use Fiverr for, and it's called B2B list, which means business to business. So what you can do is you can come on Fiverr and you can actually look for a freelancer to create a B2B list for you. And that's a list of, you can get the address, the number, you can get email addresses. I can come on here and I can get someone to build a list of restaurants, 100 restaurants. I need the number, name, email address, decision maker's name. You got some people that can pull that stuff off of LinkedIn for you, and it's super cheap. Look at the prices. Like, I think my guy does it for like $15. It took me a while to find that perfect person, but this technique works. And what you do is you get someone to build you a B2B list, and you can email these people and you can call these people yourself. Okay. So that's one technique. Instead of going on Google and trying to search for restaurants or search for apartment complexes to call, you can just come on Fiverr and you can get someone to build you a B2B list. Okay. Really simple, really easy. One other thing I wanted to show you guys that a lot of people don't take advantage of, but I think it happens to be pretty cool. I'm going to type in spokesperson, right? So I really don't see a lot of people taking advantage of this technique, but you can come on Fiverr and you can actually hire a spokesperson to create a commercial for you. I can get this young lady right here for $40. Let's click on her. And I can get her to say whatever I want her to say about my business.
Hey, I'm Kathy, and I can be your professional video spokesperson. Did you know that videos are a powerful way to connect people to your business, product, or service? Mm-hmm. I'm available to say what you want me to say. I can wear what you want me to wear. I can effectively deliver your message that converts sales.
Great quality. So cool, right? Now, if you've seen that commercial, sorry, if you just looked at that commercial, great quality, great HD quality, right? You can hire this lady for $40 to say whatever you want her to say. So if you're not good at speaking, come on Fiverr and hire this wonderful spokesperson to say whatever you want her to say for $40. Okay. Like she said, she'll put your logo in the background. She'll put some nice little light music to it. It may take about 4 or 5 days for her to send it, or maybe 7 days for her to send it to you. And boom, you have a professional commercial for your business. Okay. So that's another thing that I really like about this site, that I don't really see a lot of people utilizing, but you can come on here and you can hire a spokesperson to speak for you. Okay. So let's move it on, moving right along. Let's see what else I like about this site. Besides the graphics, okay, so we're moving on to social media manager. Okay, so you can also come on here and you can get someone to manage your social media pages. Okay, so this is a technique that I used when I first started off on Fiverr. Um, and it's no different than you just hiring a VA to do something. But these people, you can hire someone for what this guy's doing it for $35. Just try him out for $35. If you know you're not good at social media marketing or whatnot, try out his services for like $35. And you never know, you might find someone that you like or whatnot. If you need someone to post regularly, you can say, I need someone to post one post a day on my LinkedIn, my Twitter, and my I don't even really do Twitter, but LinkedIn, Facebook, and Google account. There are people on here that actually do social media management. So I used it in the beginning. I don't use it anymore because I actually found a VA that is just incredible. So I don't use it anymore, but I did use this technique when I first started out, and it worked. I found a VA. I found someone on here to just manage those pages for me, just make those posts regularly for me, and it works. So those are the three things that you guys can do on this site. I highly recommend you start doing a little bit more with Fiverr. Okay. Another thing I want to show y'all before I leave is you can come to Fiverr to get someone to do your thumbnails for your YouTube videos, because I highly recommend all cleaning companies to start a YouTube channel, okay? Because it's 2021, so you need to look into doing that. You can come on here, hire someone for your thumbnails and your flyers, but you can also do it yourself, right? And I'm going to show you right here. So this is my second favorite site, which is called Canva. Okay. So if you don't have no money, okay, and you're looking to do your own flyers and your own thumbnails, I highly recommend you just come on and jump on Canva and do it yourself. And it's easy. It's so easy. I'm gonna create one right now, right in front of you. I just did this one right here, but we're going to go to I'm gonna go to YouTube thumbnail. It's so cool because it has all of these cool templates right here already ready for you, right? So if I wanted to make a thumbnail, I'll just click on it. And keep in mind, the way I'm making this thumbnail is the same way you'll make everything on Canva. It's the same thing. You just click on it and change the words. Let's say we change the words to cleaning. All I'm doing is clicking on the word here. This thing don't want to move. Come on, move out the way. Let's move that out the way. Let's move this. Let's turn this into. Now you're gonna get crazy when I'm doing it. Presentation. Oh, move the whole thing. I erase that lady out the way. Let's use this one right here. This seems like an easy one. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of my pictures, right? So I have this picture here, and I'm going to remove the background because we don't want that square there. So all you do is you're going to make sure the picture is clicked on, and I'm going to click on effects, and I'm going to remove background. So simple, so easy. Okay. So now I've removed the background. See me? Whee! This lady here, I want her gone. I don't need her right there. So now you just see me. I'm going to make myself big. Boom. Right? Then the only thing I'm going to do, let me move this out the way, is change the words. Erase that. And I'm going to write, okay, let's go over here to text. Text, I'm going to go over here to head. Nope, I don't want that one. I want the big one. There we go. So all I did was go over here to text, and then I went to add a heading. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Erase, and then I'm going to write cleaning. Maybe I should make it bigger. Cleaning company. All right. So now I want to make this a little bigger. So I'm going to push on the plus sign. And if you want to drag it, you can just drag it right here. Great. Move it over a little bit. And then I want to put some more heading in there. I'm just playing around with this. How to start a, okay. And this is how, if I wanted to turn it, I can turn it like that. It's just so cool. Yes, I love this thing here. This is going to be one of my favorite sites to use. Okay. So I'm going to move that, put it, guess I'll put it right there. I'll move this to right here. But you get my drift. You know, I'm just moving the words around, changing the words. You know, you go up here to change the font. Because if I don't like these big bulky words, I could just change the font over here. I can make it big, small right here. I could change the color right here. Click on color and I could change the colors up. Easy. Then all you have to do is click download and download your template. Now you can use this. I can do this with flyers as well. I'm going to go back to home because I'm trying to do this real quick so I can let y'all go for the day. All right. So all you have to do is type in flyer and it's the same routine. I promise you. When you're trying to do a flyer for your cleaning company, look, all of these wonderful templates are already made for you. All you have to do is click flyer. Let's see. So I typed flyer cleaning, and all of these cleaning company template flyers just popped up. And you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to click on it. And now you can change the words, change the font around, same way I did the thumbnail. Quick, easy. So you really don't have to hire a freelancer off of Fiverr. If you learn this technique, it save you a lot of money, okay? Because I used to use Fiverr a lot when I first started until I learned about this little program right here called Canva, okay? So I'm not going to hold you guys long today. That's my time. Start utilizing. If you're going to use Fiverr, start using different things inside Fiverr. It's not all about thumbnails and flyers or whatnot. You can actually do the thumbnails and the flyers yourself off of this program called Canva. Okay, and the program is dirt cheap. You know, you can get on the free trial. I believe it's like a free trial. I forget how much it is a month, but it's not expensive. I can tell you that. It's not expensive at all. So I highly recommend this program here, Canva, okay? So hopefully I was able to shed some light and give you guys a little bit of knowledge that you didn't know today, okay? If you guys got any questions, comment down below. You know what to do. Hit that button. We need you to hit the bell so that you can know and be notarized every time I drop a video, okay? Notified, I'm sorry, notified. All right, so I'm going to let you guys go for today. I have to go manage some Airbnbs, all right?